Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more grape-based mocktail. Grape Spitizer. How to make grape Spitizer mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lemon. Okay, just squeeze on lemon. Then you have to pour 120 ml of grape juice and 30 ml of grape crush. Very fancy mocktail. 20 to 30 ml of grape crush. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a type of tall glass and pour the ingredients into the tall glass. Simply fill the glass with Sprite. How the fancy purple color came for this mocktail. This is the grape Spitizer mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.